Hey, hey, hey! What is it, boy? What is it? Get away! Go! Home. Hello? Rescue teams, please hurry! An anaconda is fighting an elephant. The elephant is in danger. Please, please help.
Okay, I'll send 3 very soon.
That's the elephant from Sector 9. We don't have much time. Coordinates locked.
Deploy rescue team now.
Let's get this gear loaded up quickly. We've got to move out.
We have to move fast. I saw him just over that ridge.
Base camp, this is Unit 4. Poachers are nearby.
Get the net over it now! It's gonna strike. Be ready. Get back! It's too dangerous. Run! All right, team, the target is moving towards Sector Gamma. Emma, darts ready?
Files checked. Ready, Captain.
Jake, Sarah, positions 100 meters out. We move now.
We have to get there now. We've got another one. Let's go.
All right, team, ready the J-Haul. We have to separate them now.
Copy that. Moving into position.
Almost there. Keep an eye on the little one.
Copy that.
The terrain ahead looks clear for now. Let's push forward while we still have light.
Look, this is all a jungle in front of us. Wild animals come from here.
Now, don't worry, there will be no danger. If there is any danger, call me.